How to exit safe mode on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can exit safe mode on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your task manager. So head toward the search bar and in the search bar, type in task manager. So once the task manager opens up, here you have to navigate to this menu bar at the top and head towards the top right corner. There it says run new task, click on it. Now under this text box there you have to type in MSConfig and then click on OK. Then you will see this new pop-up box that says system configuration. Here head towards the boot section. And now here you have to select safe boot. Once you're done, click on apply, then click on OK. Once you do that, you will see other pop-up box on your interface where you will have an option to restart. All you have to do is simply click on restart button and with that the safe mode, or you will exit from the safe mode. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.